Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be telling you about a new method inside JavaScript which lets you replace multiple words in multiple scenarios. So let me show you this definition of this method here. So the method is called as replace all method here. So you can see that this is the bunch of text out there, and you can see we are replacing a particular word with a different word here. So this is replace all method here. So this takes two arguments here. The first is the actual word that you need to replace, and the second argument is the actual word that you need to uh, replace. So here you need to put these two parameters. So let me just take a simple example and show to you how this method works here. So inside your HTML, I will simply have a simple div tag here, and we will be giving a ID to it of result. And inside your script.js, so basically we can declare a text variable, and here we can have a multiple lines of text here. So you can see this word is appearing in multiple places here. So if I need to replace this word with another word, so I can call this method here. So we need to call this method which is replace all. So by the name itself, basically it will replace this word instance. So wherever this word is appearing here, so we will try to replace it with a different word here. So and then we can simply display this in the browser. So you can see we have given this ID which is result here. So if you see on the right hand side in the browser, you will see the words have been successfully replaced here. So this can be any number of text. You can have long paragraphs. So you can replace any number of words with different words. So you have seen these applications online where you it allows you to replace multiple instances of the word with a particular word. So this is the JavaScript method. Basically, it's a new method which is released in ES 2021, and you can even have a simple text area as well, where you can allow the user to write some text here. So then we can have a simple button here. And we will simply say which word to replace. So we will simply say enter the word to be replaced. And then we will have another text field. So here we will be enter the word to be new word, I will say. So whenever we click this button, we will execute a function which is replace text. So we will have another text area here. So this time we will be giving a ID to it of result, and it will only be read only. So you can't be writing in the side this. So we will simply now write this method, guys, whenever we click this button. So this function will execute, which is function replace text. So here we will get first of all the text that is written by the user. So we have given this ID to this text here, text area. I think just give it an ID of input. So we will get this value, whichever value the user has written here. And after this, we will simply call this method. We will get the words, old word we will get. So this value we will get here. So whichever word you will write here. So we have given this ID here. So replace. And the new word, again, we will get this using the ID here. So if you see, we have given this ID of another here. So now we can simply call this method, which is text.replaceAll. And we will simply pass the old word here, and the new reference, new word. And now we can simply display this resultant text inside this text area. So we will simply say here, so now if you write something here, let's suppose I write here, so you can see apple word is appearing 2 times. So if I need to replace this apple word with mango here, so I will write this inside input field here and click on replace text. So you will see as I click this button, apple is replaced by mango here, and you can see it was appearing in 2 times. So it is replaced by mango in 2 times. So you can build out this nice little application, and the limit of text is limitless. You can paste as much text as you want. So let's suppose I copy some text from the internet here. So if you just paste this here, so you can now replace. So you can see that it also works with larger text as well. So you can take as many text as you want. So wherever the word is appearing, it will be replaced by the word that you have given. So this is nice little application you can develop in JavaScript using this replace all method. So hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.